How to get started with online marketing business even if you are broke. What can you do if you have a dream of launching a business but you don't have enough cash? Is money a prerequisite for entrepreneurship? If you listen to this video for another 3 minutes, you will know how anyone could launch a business interest-free. Breaking into the business world can be intimidating venture, especially if you don't have the money or experience to back up your ambition. Money helps, but it isn't a requirement for those hoping to start their own business. You simply need to get creative and ask. Take some time to reflect on your goals and on how you view yourself as you pursue them. If you think you can't achieve your goals, then you won't be able to. The mind is a very powerful thing. If you hope to start a business but don't have any cash resources, the best thing you can do is learn your field and network with those in it. If you hope to start a business but don't have money, don't despair, but also don't put your dream on hold. The only way to build the foundation you need to live that dream is by doing hard work in here and now. Hey, Flor here. I am a registered nurse and an online business owner from Australia. 23 months ago, I searched for a business, a side hustle, and I found one. An online business that allows me to run my own business with lower outlay. A business that provides me not just extra income but gives me the opportunity to work from home. When I started my business, I don't have that big amount of money. In fact, it allowed me to start my business interest-free. We offer a solution if your problem to start your passion in this business is cash. In fact, there is a lot of ways to start your own online business, and cash is not really a problem. I would be able to talk and help you reach your goals and vision and find the right action step for you to move forward, to help you run your very own online business that could possibly change your life for the better. Write, comment below, send me a message, or click on my link to register for free. I will be sending you a 90-minute video event which will show you the real picture on how this business works. We also have a live webinar and I will be sending the details to you after you register. Remember this, lots of people started just where you are, but the true success are the one who had the courage to push past the barriers without worrying about financial detail. You already have what you need, and that's the passion and innovation. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon.